Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to sell on Shopee without the product or inventory. So right here, what we are going to use is the Shopee affiliate. So you just have to open any of your web browser. Then we have to sign up for an account on Shopee affiliate. Okay, so using the search bar at the top, just have to type out Shopee affiliate and you'd be able to see this first website. Okay, so click on this website, and then after signing up, you'd be able to see here now your dashboard. So what we can do here is to look at the different offers. Okay, but before that, of course, you have to set up your payment or your billing. So you just have to go here, and then you just have to provide your payment or billing information. Now right here at the top left, you can see here the different offers. So we have here Shopee offer, commission extra, and more. So when we expand this one, let's start with the Shopee offer. Okay, so when you click on this one, you'll be able to see here the different offers that we can use in order for us to sell or to get our commission without product or inventory. Okay, so for example, we are going to select this one. So what we are going to do is to click on the batch get link. So you can select up to 100 products so you can get the batch link. Okay, so you can select all, then you can find more products. Now the next one is the commissions extra. Okay, so right here you'll be able to see different products again. So we have here the different stores that we can use or get their link so that we can get an extra commissions. Now for the product offer, right here we are going to focus on this one. But before that, let's talk about the rest of the offers. Okay, next we have the exclusive offers. That's right, you'd be able to see here the exclusive offers if you have, and then the custom link. So here you can create a custom link to direct your traffic to a specific page in Shopee Philippines. So if you want to convert your links, so you just have to go here. Now for the product offer, as you can see right here, we have different products and we can see the commission percentage that we can get if we are going to sell this product. So for example, we are going to look for a specific product. Okay, so let me check a lamp. Okay, I think this one would do. So you just have to click on the product that you want to sell. Then just wait for a couple of seconds, and right here you'd be able to see the get link option. And then if you think you're not satisfied with the commission, okay, so you'd be able to see here the commission details. So if you are not satisfied with the commission that you can get from this product, so you can find another product. So that's what we are going to do. Let us try to find another product with a good commission rate. Okay, so for example, this product right here. Now just click on the get linked option and click on copy link. Now what you can do is you can upload the link or the picture of the product on your social media accounts, Facebook, or you can also directly send the link to your friends through Messenger, WhatsApp, or any social media platforms. So let's try the Messenger. Let's open my Facebook account and go to my messages, and then you just have to paste here the link. And then if you have the image of the product, you can also send that as well. Okay, so let me just copy the link once again. So copy the link, go back to Messenger, and then you just have to paste it right here and then click on send. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.